Cosmo, Rudy. Ah! Sit. Cosmo, sit. Let's see what we have. No.
Can't even see Cosmo.
Sit down. Alert you to my presence by barking. All right. We have apple cobbler. Nope, no cheating. Sit. The only way to treat your dog. Snicky snacks. And they're organic. Ooh, they're yummy looking biscuits. Oh yeah. And then we have Sit. Zooks. Z-Bone. A carrot crisp for giant dogs, 90 pounds and over. That's you. Oh, Sit.
Wow.
It's a
look at
bionic urban stick.
that. That might last.
And the last item in here are some barbecue chicken flavored, healthy grain-free jerky chews. Proudly made in the USA. All right, let's sit. You don't get to eat the plastic bag, and you don't get to eat the wrapper on the toy. Let me unwrap it. Rudy, Cosmo, sit. All right, Rudy, Cosmo, go get it, Rudy. Cosmo, come here. Sit. Oh yeah, you get this thing. This one's food. That's what the chubby guy likes. All right. It smells meaty. There you go, sir. Rudy's like, that sucks. I got just a plastic